Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these items with you today because two of them have been on the top of our request lists from all of our customers and friends saying, when is this coming? When is this coming? When is this coming? So, guess what? They're here, which I'm really excited about. Now, one of the items, because there's two that you've been requesting like crazy, then there's one extra one that you might not even realize you probably wanted, but just letting you know, it's now available. Are you ready for the first one? The first one, the most requested item we probably have ever gotten was the truck fold it that I took on HSN over a year ago. Can you believe it's already been a year? Now, this folds to a 5x7 fold it, but it's a little extra. So it's technically the 5x7 truck fold it with extras. What do I mean? Well, look at this. Not only are you getting the fold it, you're also getting pumpkins, you're getting a tree, you're getting some flowers, you're getting some presents, you're getting leaves. You are getting lots of different things to put in the back of the pickup truck. And I can't wait to share my samples with you because you know what? They're awesome. They're amazing. Now, the other item that's been the most requested, and it is here finally. It is the stitched mini Slimline dies. Now, as you know, we have our mini Slimline and it's been very popular. Well, we needed more layering dies with it, right? Well, now we have the stitched version, and when you see the samples, you're definitely going to want to pick this one up. Now, the one that you might not realize that you need or want is this one. This is the strawberry fold it. I released this previously years and years ago, and I finally decided to bring it out of the vault because look at how dang adorable this little strawberry fold it is. You can put your little message on the inside, but it fits in an A2 size card. Here's another example of one with patterned paper with our little picnic basket. You are very sweet. Look at that, very happy birthday. Isn't that cute? Adorable. And look at cute little Michelle made a little pillow out of one. Isn't this adorable? It's out of our felt. Our dies do cut our wool felt, and look at how cute that is. Now let's move on to our mini stitched samples. Look at how cute that is. You can see that stitching along the edges. It just finishes off your card. It just adds a different development to it. It just makes it a little bit more exciting. Here we have it on pattern paper with little Miller. He's so cute. I just love him. Here it is on the envelope to decorate the envelope. I love that. Just so fun. Just adds a different element. Here's one with our little Peeps dog around the edges. Ooh, here's a cute one. So glad we're friends. Look how cute that is with our little owl and our pumpkin with those nice stitched edges. Oh, look at this one. Here's a cute one with our little ice cream. And here you can really see that stitch because look at that. Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Oh, here's a fun one with it on an envelope. I love that. That's so cute. Decorate your envelopes because you know what? When you don't have to mail them, it's so cute to decorate your envelopes, right? Here's another decorated envelope with that stitched rectangle. Oh, and here's a cute one with our little squirrel. Sweet dreams. Peekaboo circle. Open it up. Oh, they're saying hello to each other. That's so cute. I love that. Now let's look at our truck fold-its because you guys, these are going to knock your socks off. Here's a cute one. XOXO. Hugs and kisses. Get well wishes. Love it. Here's a cute one with the presents that come in there with some extra balloons sending you loads of happy birthday wishes. Oh, are you ready for this one? This one's perfect for my little twins. Look at those cute little monsters. Great day. Look at them all. They're like hanging out in the back of the truck. I just love that. They're so much fun. So cute. Here's a cute one. Now, you can make it a Christmas truck if you want to. This pickup truck, you are going to use all of the time for every theme possible, right? Because here it is for Christmas. Here's one just for an everyday. Hi there. And look, remember, you can open it up and you can write your little message. It's a little card. Here's one with just flowers. So cute. Let's see what this one is. Oh, This one's Ken and Stephanie, Life's a Beach. I need to frame this one. I love this one. Look how cute that is. That's Ken and Stephanie and Cookie with their little beach stuff, and they're in the truck, and we're ready to go. I love that one. Now here's one with just flowers, sending loads of hugs and kisses. Oh, here's a holiday one, sending loads of holiday wishes, happy Halloween, count your blessings, Christmas blessings. Look at those cute little guys in there. And it does come with that nice tree. And here's a cute one for Thanksgiving or fall or anything like that. So lots of different options. We have Christmas, we have fall, here's another fall, here's an everyday, here's a summer one, here's a crazy monster one, lots and lots of different options. Here's a birthday one. You get to make the truck do whatever you want. Now, some of you might be new to Fold-Its, and because I'm releasing 2 today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Fold-It, because if you're new to Fold-Its, that you might not know exactly what to do and how to do them. Well, you know what? The best part about them is they're so easy to do. Okay, that's, and my whole thing is if it's not easy, I'm not gonna do it, so why would I ask you to do it, right? So I'm gonna open this one up. This is the strawberry. And there's all these fun dies in here, but the most important one is the largest die. Now I'm gonna bring this up to the camera because it is kind of hard to see on camera, but in real life you can really, really see it. But right there, and sometimes if I tilt it different ways, you can kind of see it. It says place fold here. It's also gonna say place fold here. So you get to decide, do you want the fold at the top of the strawberry or on the side of the strawberry? I tend to do the top the most. So I'm gonna take my cardstock, I folded it in half already, and I'm going to lay that so the fold is on the inside where it says place fold here. So I'm gonna grab some washi tape right there so it doesn't move when it goes through the machine, just like that. And now I'm gonna run that through the machine, okay? So I'm gonna grab that. Now, the nice thing about the Fold-Its is they are smaller, so they will fit in a standard 6-inch machine, and they're also A2. Now, the 5x7 truck is a 5x7, okay? So just remember, but that'll still fit in a standard machine, a 6-inch machine. So now I'm gonna lift all this up, and here I have, oops, let's get the washi tape off. There we go. And now I have my strawberry with the fold on the top. But look at that, that doesn't look very good, does it? Well, you know what I've done is I've already die cut another strawberry to lay on top. And actually, I've even decorated this one already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna add adhesive to the back. And we are going to decorate our strawberry. So I've just die cut a couple of the other pieces and I've layered them and I've even added ink around it. So I'm just gonna add adhesive to this. Now that ugly, ugly flat line, look at this. It is now gonna be changed because I'm taking the same die, but just die cut normal and laying it right on top. Now we need to finish off our green. So I'm going to just get the little inside part of the green, and I've already added some adhesive to the back of this, and I'm just gonna simply run that through the die cut machine. Now, these are just so easy to decorate, and it's so fun to get a shaped card and to send a shaped card because it's just so different than the standard boring rectangle, right? So here we go, and I'm gonna just peel that up. Now, here is a trick. You need to make sure this is still gonna fit in an A2 envelope, right? So I'm gonna grab an A2 envelope, I'm gonna lay this down, and I'm gonna lay this right here. Now I'm going to make sure that my top doesn't go too high, right? Because then it won't fit in the envelope. So I'm gonna peel off some of the backing, and actually if I wanted to, I could peel off all the backing. So we're just gonna peel off all the backing, and then we're gonna decide where to put the green so we can make sure that it still fits in our envelope. There we go. And I'm not gonna press down too much. I'm just gonna look at this and go, oh, okay, if I put that right there, it's gonna fit perfect in my envelope. So I'm gonna lay that down and I'm only gonna press where the strawberry is. Now, because I use that adhesive on the back, right here is still sticky, right? So what I'm gonna do, quick trick, is I'm going to take some baby powder and I'm gonna sprinkle that on the back, and that is gonna take all of that sticky away that's exposed, okay? And it smells good too. And I'm just gonna give it a couple taps. There we go. And now look at my cute little strawberry. Easy peasy. Wipe that off. There you go. Easy peasy. Look at that. I can write my little message. But look, isn't that awesome? And now I have an A2 size card that is shaped. Now, every single Fold-It is done the exact same way. So if you've done one, you can do them all because they're all the exact same way. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you're missing out because you could get an extra 15% off of everything on our website if you were in a club. So go click on the join the club button and watch that video and check it out and see all the many reasons you should be a club member. And club members, boom, of course you're getting the discount already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
you.